Put the Zillow app down. Before you step foot inside an open house and fall in love, you need to follow these 3 rules so you don't get your heart broken. Rule number 1, know your credit score before I do. Your credit dictates your entire loan, so check it early. If it needs work, don't panic. We have time to fix it before you apply. Rule number 2, get a pre-approval, not a pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is basically just a financial vibes check. A pre-approval means the lender has actually verified your tax returns and pay stubs. When you hand a seller a pre-approval letter, it proves you have the cash to back up your offer, and they take you seriously. So your credit is good and you are pre-approved, but the biggest trap for first-time buyers is completely misunderstanding the math of closing day. Rule number 3 is about money. First, ignore the 20% down myth. There are incredible first-time buyer programs that require as little as 3% down, but don't forget about your closing costs. Always budget an extra 2 to 5% of the loan amount for things like title fees and prepaying your taxes. And finally, my absolute golden rule. Once you start the loan process, enter total credit silence. Do not open new credit cards. Do not finance a new couch. And please do not quit your job to start a podcast. It will absolutely tank your debt to income ratio and ruin your loan. Buying a house is massive, so surround yourself with a real estate agent and a loan officer who will actually explain the math to you. If you're looking to buy in Indiana, Michigan, or Utah, reach out. Hit that subscribe button for more tips. And I have to know, what's the number 1 feature you're looking for in your first house? Drop it in the comments.